Oh, hello. I haven't made a video in a while. I'm working on it though. You see, it's just like school is taking up all my freaking time. I keep trying to think of little things I can put up, little projects, but you know, the weather was really crappy. Excuses. The sun was in my eyes. You know, my golf shoes are a little worn out. The grips on my clubs are, yeah, certainly not that I'm just lazy. Uh, you know, I'm making that oven. My last video with the tour of the model, I'm making the oven. I have pretty much all of it done. I just need to edit all the footage. You film these long builds and then you got to cut it up, and that takes time. Yeah. So I'm sorry, guys. Did you know that YouTube changed its monetization policy? So now I have to like put a crap ton more content on YouTube before they start paying me again. Crazy. Although maybe you guys have seen that 3D printer over there that I built. Maybe I can do something with that. I don't know. Again, I really don't have a whole lot of time. I know that when the springtime approaches, it gets nice out, I'm gonna have more energy, and I'll be able to show you guys more cool stuff. But really, right now it's kind of just not happening. I don't know what it is. I just got to get my button gear here, and peace, love, and waffles.